To add shipping to your website in Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Log into your account using your email and password, which will take you to your account dashboard. From there, select the website where you want to add shipping. On the dashboard, you'll see various options such as selling, invoicing, content, memberships, donations, scheduling, marketing, contacts, and analytics. Click on the Selling or Pages section. In the Pages section, you can add a new page by clicking the plus sign, which will give you options like blank page, page layout, scheduling, blog, store, portfolio, events, videos, course, member site, drop-down, and link. If you don't see the option you need, go back to the home screen and click on Selling. Then select Fulfillment from the options that include products, payments, subscription, and publish. The fulfillment section is where you'll find shipping options. You can add a new shipping option, import settings from Etsy, set up pickups, or configure local delivery. To do this, simply click on the Shipping tab and follow the prompts to set up your shipping options. Once you've set up shipping, you can manage it fully from this tab.